Namaste everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. So we have completed 13th plan. So today we are going to cover 14th plan 2073-2075. So the vision of plan was to self-reliant, affluent and socialism oriented national economy and prosperous Nepali. So the goal was to achieve the level of middle economic countries through welfare state with a social justice. So the objective to achieve economic and social transformation by the rapid poverty reduction through the higher economic growth along with the productive employment and oriented and the justice distributions. So what was the major economic, social and physical target for the 14th plan? So this is the physical years 2072-73 and the target for 14-year plan in 2075 and 76 is this. So with this we'll start. So the annual average economic growth rate was 0.8 and target was to achieve 7.2%. So the agricultural sector, if you talk about the growth rate was 1.3 and the target was to get 4.7. In the non-agricultural sector, the growth rate was 0.6 and the target was 8.4. So if you talk about the GDP per capita in thousands, then it was 79.4 in the physical year 72 and 73 and the target to achieve was 116.5. Similarly, if you talk about the population below poverty line, so it was 21.6 in the physical year 72 and the target was to achieve and to reduce up to 17%. So SDI index, Human Development Index was 0.54 and target was to get to 0.57. And empowerment index, gender empowerment index was 0.56 and we have to achieve target was to get 0.58. Life expectancy at the birth is 69 and to achieve was to get 72. Population with the access of drinking water was just 83.3% and to achieve our target was 90%. So net enrollment rate of secondary education was 37.7 and target was 40.45. So electricity generation, we know that we have achieved up to 851 and target was 2301 megawatt. So population with the access of electricity, so we have achieved 74 and target was still 87. Irrigation in the hectares in lakh is 13.9 hectares and the target is to get 15.2. Population with the access of internet was 44.4 and the target was to get up to 65%. And the strategies for the plan was to increase the production by the transformation of the agriculture sector, expansion of tourism, industrial and small and medium enterprises. Number 2, to build the infrastructure of the energy, road and air transport, information and communication, rural, urban and development of trilateral connectivity. So the third point was to achieve the high and sustainable reforms in the human development by emphasizing on the social development and social security as well as social protection. Number 4 is to promote the overall good governance by the economic, social and governance reforms, efficient and accountable public finance, clean, transparent and people-friendly public service as well as protecting and promoting the human rights. Number 5 says that to enhance the gender equality, inclusion and environment protection, maximum use of science and technology and institutional capacity should be included. So these were the 5 strategies for the plan, 14-year plan. So now let us discuss about the targeted economic growth. So if you talk about the sector, agriculture sector, so in physical year 73-74 was 4.5 and 74 75 was 4.7, and similarly in the physical year 75 76 is increased up to 4.9. So we get the average of 4.7 in these 4 years. So in non-agriculture, we similarly can say from 7.6 we have achieved to 9.3, and the average is 8.4. And from similarly from non-agriculture, there is industry and service separately. If we talk about industry, then we have achieved up to from 10.2 to 11.5, and the average is 10.6. Similarly, in the service sector, we have 7.8. So GDP, gross domestic product, at the basic price is 7.2 at average, if you talk about the average. So with this we think we end this lecture, and we'll discuss some more interesting things in the next section. Thank you for watching. Jai Nepal.